supposed to be a forecast of 7 inches of snow falling between tonight and tomorrow morning. And I thought naturally, this would be a great marketing example for the BRZ and the Rotary, the whole kit. So naturally, I had to prepare myself. All right, guys. So like I said before, the tires are now done. We're gonna move this thing inside there. Will it fit with the Touareg there?
Yeah. Never gets old. This car is insanely loud.
So we are taking off these wheels here, yes, because it's snowing outside and there's no reason to have these on. But we're gonna put on the winter wheels now. But first, I have to raise this thing all the way up with a little wrench. You guys know how to use it, sorry, but. It made it here in the snow just fine, as long as we're moving. We're gonna try and get some clips of it now on the road going back to Fox Hollow, and it's gonna be fun. Was it shooting plane so far?
Nah, you weren't on it, remember?
Yeah,
no gas.
Fair.
Next level. Jordan, you need to slow down. We're trying to get footage and you're just fully on it. I wonder what the people were saying inside their car, watching that thing shoot flames by just spinning the tires. This whole like side Oh my goodness. What? That thing sounds insane. That thing sounds crazy. Hold on. Nah. What happened?
Hey, I ran out of fuel.
How?
The fuel pump might have just died.
He said the
I think the fuel pump actually just died. ESI. Yeah, it's one in the Touring.
Yo, I was trying to tell you to slow down. You were shooting massive flames. You were moving.
Yeah.
I think that's where that gas just went.
It's possible, yeah.
But there's no. That's crazy. So the fuel pump went out on the BRZ. Who would have known?
Whatever just happened, completely worth it. I don't care. Yeah, this thing right now, the fuel pump says it's doing 7 psi. Completely worth it for how those shots, I'm sure they looked. Yo, this thing is planted on the snow, planted. So it's actually time that we get a new fuel pump now. This thing has been through everything. So like I said, we break it, we build it back better. It's probably the end of this video, but Aaron, come, yeah, please. Hey, Aaron, I'm seriously, I need you to come back. Also, radium, yeah, I'm gonna need that surge tank now. I'm gonna need the whole thing, but yeah, this thing, very good in the wet weather, very good. Subaru, you got it, like 100% you got it.